welcome to channel Knowledge of. Friends, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for the latest update. This is your quantitative aptitude class and that is your class of set 279. We had done 278 class of the session in the last classes, so we'll continue with the same. In 278 class of the session, we had done 87th question of the session of this unit, which is your simple interest. This is the part of arithmetical ability, and that is the simple interest. We have to continue with the same. The 88th question is, what is the sum which earned interest? Statement 1 is that the total simple interest was rupees 7,000 after 7 years, and the second statement is that the total of the sum and a simple interest was double of the sum after 5 years. And this has been asked in the NABARD examination paper, so let's go for the same. What is the sum which earned so let's go for the same, that earned interest that has been asked in NABARD examination paper. Statement 1, the total simple interest was rupees 7,000 after 7 years. The total of sum and simple simple interest was double of the sum after 5 years. So with the same we go for it and we will be figuring out. So let the sum be rupees X. So here first gives SI equals to rupees 7,000 and T equals to 7 years. So second gives sum plus simple interest for 5 years equals to 2 into sum, where sum equals to SI for 5 years. Now SI for 7 years equals to rupees 7,000. SI for 1 year equals to rupees 7,000 upon 7, which is equals to 7 ones are 7. 7,000 are 7,000. So this is 1,000 rupees. So SI for 5 years rupees 1,000 into 5, which is equals to rupees 5,000. Thus 1 and 2 both are needed to get the answer. So we'll go for option E. That will be the right answer. Now further we go for the next question, that is the another important one. Here that each of the questions given below that consist of a question by 3 statements, and you have to study the question and a statement which is the statement is or are necessary to answer the question. You have to go for it. अभी यहाँ तक हम 2 statement तक कर रहे थे. अब next we will be going for some of the question related to the 3 statement. So here we go, that we have as follows. So the question 89, what is the principal sum? Statement 1, the sum amount to rupees 690 in 3 years at SI. The sum amount to rupees 750 in 5 years at SI. The rate of interest is 5% per annum. So here we go for the first one, first and third only, second and third only, first and second only, and that the D is first and third only, or second and third only. The option is any 2 of these. So for this question we will be going for the detail here, and that is clearly any of the 3 will give the answer, so you will go for option E. So clearly any of the 3 will give us the answer, so we'll go for option E. That will be having as an answer. Now we go for the next question and the last question of this particular topic, and that is your 90th question of the session, and that the question we have here is as follows. Question is, in how many years will a sum of money put at a simple interest treble itself? The statement 1 is that the interest earned in 4 years is half of the sum. Second is the rate of the interest is 12.2%. Third is the sum of the double of itself in 8 years at simple interest. And the options we have any one of the following, any 2 of the following, 3 and all 1, 2 and 3, second and third only, and first and second only. So let's go for the same here. Second statement, the rate of interest is 12 1 by 2%. Third statement, the sum doubles itself in 8 years at simple interest. Any one of the three. B is any two of the three. C options are 1, 2 and 3. G is second and third only. First and second only. So let's go for the same, and that will be solving it out here, and that we have as follows. So here we go for the same, and that will be find it out. And so with the same case, let the sum be rupees x. Then SI equals to rupees 2x, R equals to 25 by 2% per annum, that is, and you have to find out T equals to question mark. So T equals to here for the same, I will go for the 8th one, and that is one agree that we'll have to discuss about. That first gives when T equals to 4, then SI equals to rupees x by 2, R equals to 100 into SI upon P into T, which is equals to 100 into x upon 2 into 1 upon x into 1 upon 4, and that is 12 1 by 2% per annum. Now sum equals to rupees x, SI equals to rupees 2x, R equals to 25 by 2% per annum. And now you have to find out for the 2T. Then T equals to 100 into SI then upon P into R, which will give 100 into 22x upon x into 25 into 2 equals to 16 years. 25 ones are 25 and 25 fours are 100, and x being x cancelled it out, so 2 and 4, and this is 2 here. So 2 to the 4 and 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. Let's go for this. Thus 1 only gives the answer. So second gives R equals to 25 by 2% per annum. T equals to 100 into SI upon P into R equals to 100 into 2x upon x into 25 into 2. So it is also been cancelled out by 4 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. It will be 16 years. The second only gives the answer. Then third gives R equals to 5% per annum. T equals to 100 into SI upon P into R equals to same 100 into 2x upon x into 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 20s are x being cancel it out, it will be 40 years. So thus third only also gives the answer, so we'll be going for the answer that has been option A. So here we're gonna end up with the simple interest here. Now we'll discuss the rest in the next coming class. So before starting with the same, it's a huge request to all the viewers to please go ahead with like, share and subscribe so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and even you can also enjoy the video as well. Please support us.